Good morning, Matthew. I hope you had a good night's sleep and that you are ready to begin working on IEP goals 4 and 5. So for goal number 4, we are going to find the median when given a set of numbers. So last 9 weeks we have been talking about finding the mean. Now this week it changed and we will be talking about the median. So let's continue. So the median is the middle. So when you have a set of numbers, it is always the middle number, the middle value when numbers are in order. So in this case right here, it is the 6. You can cancel the 1, then you can cancel 1 in the back, and then 1 in the front, and 1 in the back, and the 6 is what we are left with. In the bottom set of numbers, we, if you see here, you can take off the 1 in the front, and then 1 in the back, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back. And we have 2 numbers here. But they are the same numbers. So since they are the same number, this number is our median, which is 5. And then in the other set of numbers, we have a 1, and we can scratch off 1 in the front, 1 in the back, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. And these 2 are the 2 in the middle. When we have 2 different numbers in the middle, we are going to add the 2 numbers. Then we are going to divide those two, the total of those 2 numbers. And whatever answer it gives us, that is our median for that set of numbers. So the worksheet for today is called Find the Median Sheet 1. I'm going to work on several with you just because this is a new objective and it might be a little confusing. So please take out this worksheet so we can work on it together. So this is the worksheet we are going to be working on today. Do not forget to write your name and the date. Today is March the 5th, 2021. And here it says, find the median of these data points. Odd number of data points. So we know there's an odd number, so they're not even. So that means there will only be 1 number in the middle. When there are even numbers, we will always encounter 2. However, since they're telling us odd numbers, that means we will only have 1 number in the middle. So to start off, we need to look at our set of numbers. And for question number 2, we have 13, 5, 2, 10, and 8. The first thing we need to do is write them in order. So right here where it says order, I'm so sorry. We need to write them. So first we will start with number 2. Why does it do that? Okay, Matthew, so I'm going to have to write them in because it will not let me type. So let's just put the numbers in order and then we can figure out the rest. So first, from these 5 numbers right here, we need to see which one is the smallest. So we know that 2 should go first. And then after the 2, it would be number 5. And then after the 5 would be number 8. And then after 8 would be 10. and then number 13. So once you have them in order, we will start eliminating one by one so we can know which one is the one in the middle. So my preference is always going one in the front, one in the back, one in the front, one in the back. That to me, I feel like is the easiest way so we can be sure which one's the one in the middle. So I'm going to take one in the front, one in the back, one in the front, and one in the back. So the number that is left here in the middle alone is my median. So in this case, it's a number 8. So then I will put an 8 over here. Awesome job. And that is what we're going to do for all of the set of numbers. I will do number 3 with you as well, and then you can do from 4 all the way to 16 on your own. And here we were going to do the same thing. Let's put these numbers in order. So we have number 1, but then we also have another number 1. So we have to put 1 twice, and then the number 4, then the number 6, oh no, I'm so sorry, the number 5, and then the number 6. And again, we're just gonna eliminate so we can see what number is the one in the middle. So we'll take that one, and one from the front and one from the back, one from the front and one from the back, and then we have number 4 in the middle. So we would put number 4 right here. And that is what you are going to do for the rest. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. If not, let's go to goal number 5. So in goal number 5, Matthew, we're going to continue to go over providing the appropriate amount of change when purchasing different items. So here we have a money chart, and what they're telling us right here in this chart is they're giving us visuals of how our money looks like. Then in the middle we have what it is worth. So we know that a penny is worth 1 cent, and that a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a quarter is worth 25 cents, and a dollar is worth $1. And here on this side, we have the names of them. So now for this worksheet, we are going to be calculating change. And it has a ball symbol, and then a dollar bill over here on the right. So if you can please take out this worksheet so we can work on it together. So this worksheet is called Calculating Change, and what we are going to do is circle the correct change. So in this case it says Carlo bought a ball. We have the ball here, and it tells us how much the ball was worth, which was 35 cents. Then they're telling us he paid $1. How much change did he get? So they subtract the dollar by the 35 cents that they wasted on the ball, and depending on their answer, then they came and looked at all the change they have here and found the one that associates with what it says right here. So up here we have a snack menu, And we are going to use this snack menu to answer the following questions. And it says circle the correct change. So it's number 1. Let's follow along. Kate bought an apple. She paid $1. How much change did she get? So to start off, let's take out our calculator because we will be needing it for this assignment. And we know that if we look at our menu, we can find out how much each thing is worth. So we know that Kate bought an apple. So if we look at the menu, an apple is worth 60 cents. So here on the side, I'm going to put apple equals 60 cents. And she paid with $1. So $1 we know is worth 100 cents. So now what we have to do is subtract our 100, which is our dollar. We can put $1 minus our 0.60 cents, which gives us 0.4, and we know that that means 40 cents. So let's put change equals 40 cents. Now on the bottom, they're giving us our answers in coins. So we need to find the appropriate change that corresponds with what we have right here. So here we have dimes. We have 3 dimes. And if you do not recall, we can go back to our anchor chart and check how much dimes are worth. So we know dimes are worth 10 cents. And we have 3 dimes. So we would count 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. So this right here is equal to 30 cents. However, is this the answer we found over here? No, it's not. Good job. So this is not our answer. So let's continue. Over here we have 4 dimes. And we know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So then we would count to see how much change is here. So this is 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. So this right here is equal to 40 cents. Is this the same thing as what we got over here? Yes, it is. Good job. So can this be our answer? Yes, maybe it can. However, we're not going to stop here. We're going to check our next answer choice just to be sure that this is our correct answer. So over here we have 2 quarters and 2 dimes. So we know a quarter is worth 25 cents. And we have 2 quarters. So we can add it if that's easier for us. So we can put 0.25 plus 0.25, and that gives us 0.5, which is also 50 cents. And then we have 2 extra dimes, so we can add that too. So we know that dimes are worth 10 cents, plus another 0.10, because it is another dime. 0.7 is 70 cents. Is this the same as over here? No, it is not. So you are correct. This is our answer. The middle one, 40 cents, is our change. Good job, Matthew.